Welcome viewers. In this video we'll see the transformation and condition for reciprocal of a two-port network parameters in terms of hybrid parameters. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. In a two-port network there are various parameters are available. We are going to transfer from one parameter to another parameter, that is hybrid parameters. All other parameters are expressed in terms of hybrid parameters. First we will see what are the terms available in the hybrid parameter. So this hybrid parameter is given by H11, H12, H21 and H22. Why it is called hybrid parameter? Normally in a Z parameter, first we will see the Z parameter. This Z parameter, the voltage is expressed in terms of current. In Y parameter, current is expressed in terms of voltage. In hybrid both are available. Current and voltage is expressed, that is V1 and I2. Input voltage and output current is expressed in terms of V2 I1. Output voltage and input current. That's why it is called a hybrid parameter. Now we'll see this. H11 means V1 by I1. Short circuit input impedance. The first two parameters short circuit, remaining two open circuit. Here V by I is available, so that impedance. Both are 1, V1, I1, input side. So input impedance, short circuit input impedance. H21 is nothing but I2 by I1. So this also short circuit. This I2 by I1, output current by input current, so that current gain, forward current gain. Short circuit, forward current gain. First two parameter, short circuit. This one input impedance, this one short circuit, forward current gain. Then H12. H12 is V1 by V2. So these two parameter open circuit. Open circuit reverse voltage gain. V1 by V2. Right? Input voltage by output voltage, so that it is reverse voltage gain. V2 by V1 means forward, but here V1 by V2 reverse voltage gain. H2T is nothing but I2 by V2, open circuit, output, so 2 is there, so output refer output. I by V, so it is admittance. Open circuit, output, admittance. So first two parameter short circuit, second two parameter open circuit. In first two parameter input impedance, forward current gain. Here reverse voltage gain, output admittance. See, all are available. Input impedance, output admittance, current gain, voltage gain. So that is called a hybrid parameter. Delta H is nothing but a determinant of a hybrid matrix. This is the hybrid matrix. So determinant of this hybrid matrix is del H. Now we are going to express this all other parameter using the hybrid parameter. First we will see the Z parameter, open circuit impedance parameter. So Z open circuit impedance parameter. So it is expressed as delta H divided by H22, H12 divided by H22 minus H21 by H22, 1 divided by H22. So this hybrid parameter, Z parameters are expressed in terms of hybrid parameter. In denominator, the term is H22. For all the parameters it is H22. Only numerator is changing. Then Y, short circuit admittance parameter. 1 divided by H11 minus H12 divided by H11, H21 divided by H11, delta H divided by H11. So here also denominator H11. For all the term H11, only numerator is changing. Then ABCD parameter. ABCD parameter means it is a transmission parameter. These parameters are used to design a transmission line. Delta H divided by H21, H11 divided by H21, minus H22 divided by H21, H11 divided by H21. So this is the numerator. Denominator same parameters there, H21, only numerator is changing. then A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. Inverse transmission matrix, inverse of the previous one. 1 divided by H12, H11 divided by H12, H22 divided by H12, delta H divided by H12, right? Denominator H12 for all the parameters, only numerator changing. This is the hybrid, normal hybrid parameter. And one more we have inverse hybrid parameter, inverse of this parameter. H22 divided by delta H minus H12 divided by delta H, H21 divided by delta H, H11 divided by delta H. So delta H available in the denominator for all the parameters, only numerator is changing. Then what is the condition for reciprocal? If the port is reciprocal, when H12 equal to minus H21. If H12 is equal to minus H21, then that two port is called a reciprocal. So in this video, we discuss two port network parameters available. Right? Normally, standardly 6 parameters are there. In this hybrid parameter, we consider all other parameters are expressed in terms of hybrid parameter. And also we discuss condition for reciprocal. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening. All the best for your examination.